Feeling overwhelmed comparing gold IRA companies? You're not alone. With every site claiming to be the best, it's really hard to know who to trust. Let me show you how to compare them based on what truly matters. You can start by searching the company name, gold IRA setup fee, custodian, and storage fee. Then you can look for real numbers, not just vague phrases like low fees or competitive rates. If they don't show clear cost upfront, that's a red flag. Take, for example, Augusta Precious Metals clearly lists their fees online, including their one-time and annual charges. No surprises. That's the kind of upfront transparency you want. Before you go any further, make sure you're not falling for one of the biggest gold IRA scams. Some companies use free silver promos that hide fees or pressure you into high minimums. You can download the free silver scheme report below. It breaks down exactly what to watch out for before you invest. Next, go to the company's main site and look for their education or resources tab. Are they offering free guides, videos, or explainers? The best companies want you to be informed, not confused or rushed. Augusta, for instance, offers a free one-on-one web conference with an actual Harvard-trained economist designed to educate and not to sell. Lastly, find their contact page or live chat. Ask a simple question like, what's your minimum investment for a gold IRA? Notice how they respond. Are they helpful and clear or pushy and vague? This one small test tells you a lot about how they will treat you later. Wanna invest with confidence and avoid scams? Grab the free silver scheme report below. It exposes misleading free silver offers and shows you how to protect your retirement savings. Download it now before you speak to any gold IRA company. The link is in the description.